Hello, princess. The rain stopped. Don't go out from your house, Go back to your house, yes. The rain stopped already. The rain stopped. Hello, Gabi. Where is your brother Migmig? Gabi? Where is Migmig, your brother? Oh, Migmig. Why only my cat's one here? Oh, you're very smart, huh? You ran there, huh? There was a big sudden rain. There was a big sudden rain. I'm gonna go back. Oh, Migmig is there. Migmig. Where is Ading, Kulit, Bossy, James? Where are they? Outside? I try. Out ko. Andito pala si Troy. Troy. Oh, clean water. Yeah, you have so much clean water. Troy. Come, Troy. Come. Troy. Uy, nabasa ka rin ng rain? Troy? Nabasa ka rin ng rain, Troy? Nabasa ka rin ng ulan? Wala na. The rain already stopped. The rain is slowing down. Hello, Fiesta. Daddy Bailey is sleeping, no? Mig, you call all the other cats. Yeah, you call them. Where are they hiding? Call the other cats.